Hi. Even now, in many countries, their health authorities or the government is imposing people to wear masks, to sanitize, to maintain social distance, and also to get themselves vaccinated. But there is one particular country in this world, but given the freedom of not wearing the mask to their people. Of course, you know the country. It is not other than Israel. The reason for this, they say, is most of the population in Israel have achieved herd immunity so that they are not at high risk. So, what is this herd immunity? How to achieve herd immunity? So, today we are going to see that only. Okay. So, herd immunity is nothing but when major chunk of population in a country get proper antibody against a particular virus, then that particular population is set as herd immunity. So this herd immunity can be achieved in two ways. First way is the safest one. It is all the population or the major population in a country get themselves vaccinated so that proper antibody against a particular virus is being generated. The second option is not that appreciated. The second option is out of no other choice. Okay, so it's like major population in the country get infected with a particular virus. Their immune system fight against that particular virus and produce antibody against it so that they become immune. The first option is safe because it is not having any kind of complications or major troubles. The second option is not that great because only persons who are having a very good immune system or healthy immune system, for them only they can fight against a virus and develop antibody against that particular virus. But if their immune system is not that great, the person may end up in death also. So the second situation, it will require hospitalization, it will require ventilator support, oxygen support, major treatments, etc., etc. So to achieve herd immunity, the best option is to get all the people in a particular country or the major population in a particular country to get vaccinated. The second option, if vaccine is not available, of course, the only option left is getting yourself infected with the virus. And if your immune system is great, then you will be creating a antibody against that particular virus and you will make yourself immune. Let's see with a small example. Consider apartment. The apartment is having three different kinds of population of people. So the very first is this particular person who got himself vaccinated or he's been infected with the virus. His immune system is great, so it had developed antibody against the virus. So this person is completely immune against that particular virus. Okay. The second category, this person is currently being infected with the virus. Okay, so his immune system is now fighting against the virus to develop a particular antibody. Okay, so if his immune system is going to be great, then he can develop antibody against the particular virus and he can be recovered from the disease. The third population consider himself as a healthy individual. He is yet to get infected with the virus or he is yet to get vaccine. Okay, so this particular person is at high risk because anytime he can be infected with the virus because he have not taken the vaccine and he have not been infected with the virus earlier. Okay, so now we'll consider the person who is currently having the virus. He may be symptomatic or he may be asymptomatic. He is getting in contact with a person who is yet to get vaccinated or who's yet to be infected. When these two people are getting in contact, the virus will spread from this particular person to him. Okay, so now he will also become infected. We'll consider the other example. The person who is currently infected with the virus is getting in touch with the person who is already been infected with the virus or who is already been vaccinated. So this person will have an antibody against the virus. So even if the virus is spreading from the infected person to this particular person, it will not cause any kind of issue or trouble to this particular person because already he is immune. Herd immunity is achieving this particular population only. So major chunk of population, consider apartment, it is having 100 people. Okay, if almost 80 to 90% of the people are like this, who have developed the antibody against that particular virus, then that particular population is considered as herd immunity. So I told you, right, now from this particular person, infected person, it is being, the virus is transferred to a healthy individual who is now being infected. So there are chances, okay. So if he is getting in touch with people, so he can spread to this particular person, he can spread to this particular person, he can spread to another person. Like that, this chain will get continued, okay. So from one infected person, the infection is going to another person, another person, another person. In that way, the cycle is continuing. We'll consider now this way, okay. So you can see, right? So now the infected person is getting in touch with another person. So he's now getting infected. Is another person is now getting infected. Another person is now getting infected. Now again, it is coming to a person who is already being immunized or who have developed antibody against the particular virus. So here it will not get spread because he is completely immune. So in that way, the other two people who is about to get infected, the cycle is stopping here itself. So these two people are escaping, okay. So in this way we can break the cycle also. So the first and foremost thing what I would like to say is get yourself vaccinated, the safe option which is available, so that you can develop the antibody against the particular virus. In case if you're not getting vaccinated, you are again in the risk group, and there may be chances like an infected person can spread the virus to you also. So if you're having a very good immune system, then you can recover, or your body will develop antibody against that particular virus. If our immune system is not that great, then we have to be hospitalized, we have to get major treatments, and if our immune system is not able to develop antibody or immune against that particular virus, we may end up in death also. So again, do not panic, stay safe, stay healthy, maintain social distance, and wear masks all the time, sanitize. So in that way we can protect ourselves again. Thank you.